Hi guys, welcome to CoinsKid. This is an update on BNB. We do have a price target up there at $2,017, roughly that sort of area anyway guys. We have gone through why we do think that BNB will reach that particular target there. You can check that video out, it's on the channel. I will drop a link to that video in the description below this video. But what I'm going to do is going to just look at Binance Coin, a shorter term prospect than this long term prospect in this bull run. We do believe that BNB will reach that price target there in this particular bull run, guys. But we'll just jump into a lower time frame here. This is the weekly time frame. We're going to jump into lower time frames now and see what we can see. Okay, so we're going to jump into the daily time frame now, guys, on BNB. So we're going to jump into the BNB, and you can see that the EMAs are catching up with BNB, okay, now on the logarithmic scale, which is good, it's healthy. You can see that we've gone up in this move here, we've consolidated there, and then we got that insane push up again, and we just consolidating in this range now. We had a bit of a leg up the other day, and we were looking to break out even more, but we got corrected there, and we came back down. And you can see what we're doing, we're just testing this EMAs here, guys, this 20 EMA on the daily time frame now, guys. We're just testing it as support, and you can see we're getting a nice bounce off that now, and it's a very healthy bounce as well. And something else I want to bring your attention to on the daily time frame here, guys, is a potential cup and handle formation on the daily time frame. It's also, you'll also see it on the 4-hourly time frame. But what we'll do, we'll dive into the 4-hourly time frame here, guys, so we can chart this. So I'll drop it off logarithmic. So I don't like to use logarithmic anything lower than anything higher than 4 hours. So at the moment we do look like we formed this cup and handle here, guys, and potentially start to form the handle there. We did break out a little bit of this cup and handle formation, and you see we went up, but we got wicked back down, and then we come back down, and what we did, we fell under the 20 EMA there on a 4 hour, but then we've been supported by the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. So that's really positive, and we are coming back now testing this 20 EMA on the 4 hour, and hopefully we can get that nice bounce off there. You are seeing a bit of a wick there and the body shooting up, so potentially forms a bullish hammer there on the 4-hourly time frame. So with BNB, you know, there was a lot of speculation in the past month about BNB overtaking Ethereum and that. But what I believe Ethereum will succeed, but I also believe BNB token will succeed in the space as well. You know, there'll be more than one smart chain contract, guys, and they'll all succeed within their own rights. Plus, I've already stipulated that BNB is a bear moth exchange, and the token with it, and lots of people use it. They use the token to reduce the fees on the exchange there, and it is an appreciating token. So what we're going to do is look at price action, not necessarily fundamentals here, guys. Okay, so just diving into this chart right now, you see we've hit this level of consolidation. This to me looks a little bit of a Wyckoff accumulation here, guys. This particular level of accumulation here looks like a Wyckoff accumulation, guys. I'll drop a link to that in the description below, so you can check that out yourself. But we are on the verge of breaking out on Binance Coin, guys, and I want to show you this pattern here, which we could set some potential price targets for. Okay, so we have just here what's forming is basically a cup and handle formation here. You see this? Okay, so in here now we've got this potential cup like that. And what we've done here, we've tested the neckline. We almost broke out, but we've started to form the handle just there. Okay, guys, we are coming back up, and I do believe that if we break this neckline here, we may see a big push up there. And the potential target for Binance token is from the center of the cup there to the bottom of the cup, which is that level there. We'll do something like that, guys. So you could see us potentially break out over the next few days or so, or where we was to break this particular neckline, we could potentially see a big push up towards a $400 Binance Coin token there, guys. Okay, so that's definitely something to keep an eye on. That's a price prediction in the short term, given that that Bitcoin's gone up, and we are looking at the continuation of this bull market now, and providing we can break out of here, you know, you may see us break out of here now. And sort of go up and back test this neckline as support, and then slowly start to creep up. But this is a target up there for Binance Coin, guys, that we're targeting over the next couple of months or so. You can see that the RSI is sitting in a lovely level there in the middle, guys, you know, sort of 54 level there. The MACD is slightly above our histogram. We could probably look at that coming just below the histogram, but it is turning bullish, guys. It is forming a bullish cross there. If you look at that, You can see that we're just forming a bullish cross, and you may see this histogram start to turn bullish as well. So we're just turning bearish, just starting to turn bullish, starting to form a bullish cross on the histogram there on the lines. So that may be the momentum that we need to see us push up, break this neckline. Like I say, we'll break that neckline, back test it as support, and then push on to that target up there of $401, guys, over the next couple of weeks to the next couple of months for Binance Coin. So yeah, that looks good, guys. The fact that we've gone up there, we've consolidated, we've not broke down in this pattern here, in this accumulation zone, this Wyckoff accumulation, guys. I'll drop the link to that particular pattern in the video description, so you can check that out. But things look good for Binance Coin. We are bouncing off this level of support here. We're not under the EMAs. We are above this 20 EMA here. The market's turning bullish. Everything looks quite good, guys. I'm not saying it will happen. We could potentially still break down. If we was to break down, then you would potentially be looking at a breakdown to this previous high here, guys. So this would be a major. We do have multiple levels of support that we could target down here, but failing that, if we was to lose this level of support just there, guys, at that target there, which is currently sat at roughly $196, you could see us fall down to this previous high there, guys, which is currently at $144. I would suspect that that's a very, very bottom there. I can't see us getting any lower than this 196, but failing that, if we was to see another breakdown and we was to lose the 196, then potentially target 144 as a bottom. But you know, it's not an exact science, it's not financial advice, guys, but I do think that we are potentially seeing on the cusp of another Binance Coin breakout, and I do believe that is our target up there, guys, of $401. I do think that Binance Coin will push up with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of the alt markets, guys. So that is a potential play up to that target. So what I'll do, I'll just drop a couple of fib levels on this chart right now, guys, just to see how we're doing in the grand scheme of things here, guys. So from this bottom here, we went up from there, and we went up to that level there, guys. Okay, so we went up to that top, and then as you can see, we when we had the breakdown there. When we had the breakdown, we did, from this bottom here, we did break down and bounce off the 0618. So just like we say in the channel, the trend is your friend. The trend is obviously upwards. We're bouncing off all the fib levels really healthily. So it's a continuation. Okay, so we're looking healthy to keep pushing up, guys. We bounced off the support of the golden ratio there, and we are moving up through these fib levels. As you can see, as we move up, we're hitting a bit of resistance and support there as well on these levels. So you can see we went up there, hit our ceiling, hit our head on the 0236 there. This is on the 4-hourly time frame, guys. We've come back down, and you can see that we've found support on the 0382, which is currently at $259, and we're pushing up from that level now. So hopefully target this area, guys. If we was to break through, you may see it. If you was to break this neckline, okay, of this cup and handle here, you may see us get rejected at 293, and then we'll probably fall back and retest this neckline, guys, okay, on a breakout. So we push up, get rejected, hit some resistance, fall back down, and then retest this neckline. If we was to fall below that, then I would target these fib levels here, guys, as support. But if we was to get a bounce there, which hopefully we will, then we could still push on and potentially hit that target up there, $401, and we'd start pushing up through these levels here, guys, and take out this previous high, which sits at $348, and then move on. So basically, you could be looking at this moment a trade of around 43% for Binance Coin to get up to that level, guys, to get up to that particular level. So that could work out a beautiful trade. Again, not financial advice, guys, just something that I'm seeing in the charts. If we bring up the Fibonacci retracement on the last bottom to this current impulsive wave, so what we'll do, we'll drop this here, which was that move there. That was an impulsive wave. So we had an impulsive wave off the bottom there, guys. See that? We went up, we topped out, we come back down, and we have bounced lovely off this 0618, which again is confluence in the continuation of the uptrend. So what we'll do, you know how we do it on this channel, we'll just move this up again, guys, like this, on the bottom of that impulsive wave. So you could see that we may potentially be forming a new impulsive wave now off this bottom. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys right now. So yeah, we may be forming a new impulsive wave off this bottom right here. and then push through that cup and handle neckline there, and push up to that potential target there of that next impulsive wave at $347, which is the pretty much bang on with the all-time high. So that could potentially push us up. This next impulsive wave could potentially push us up to that previous all-time high there, guys. So yeah, just target these levels as we move up on Binance Coin. But yeah, it looks good. We're holding support, guys, and the possibility of moving forward looks very strong for Binance Coin. So that's Binance Coin. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and please do smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel, and I will be back soon with another video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.